In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use selection pane in Excel. If you've ever worked on a busy worksheet filled with shapes, images, charts, or text boxes, you know it can get cluttered fast. The selection pane is your control center for those on-sheet objects. It lets you quickly find what you need, select it precisely, and show or hide it without moving or deleting anything. Here's how to put it to work in a clear, simple flow. First, open the selection pane from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab, look to the editing group on the far right, click Find and Select, and then choose Selection Pane. The pane will slide in on the right side of your screen. Think of this as a live list of every object that sits on top of your cells. Things like pictures, icons, smart art, shapes, charts, and text boxes. If you don't see it at first, make sure you selected Find and Select from the Home tab. The selection pane option is right in that drop-down. With the pane open, choose an object you want to work with. You can do this in two ways. Either click directly on the object in your worksheet, or click its name in the selection pane list. Clicking in the list is often the faster route, especially when objects overlap or are hard to grab with the mouse. When you select an object from the list, Excel highlights it on the sheet, so you know exactly what you're about to change. If the names look generic, don't worry. Excel still highlights the right one when you click it, so you can confirm you've got the correct item. Now decide whether you want that object visible or hidden. In the selection pane, use the visibility toggle next to the object's name. Clicking it hides the object from view. Clicking it again brings it back. This is perfect for decluttering while you edit, comparing alternative layouts, or presenting a cleaner view without permanently removing anything. Hiding an object doesn't delete it, change your data, or break formulas behind the scenes. Charts remain linked to their data, images stay in place, and text boxes keep their content. They're just out of sight until you unhide them. That's the entire workflow. Open the selection pane from Find and Select. Choose the object you care about, and toggle its visibility as needed. With this small habit, you'll navigate complex sheets faster, make precise edits with confidence, and keep your workspace focused on exactly what matters right now. Thanks for watching and enjoy the cleaner, more controlled Excel experience.